the
swag
merch.
right now.
Guys, come over and support the cutest bear around.
Front row. Glad we lined up 3 hours early. Dude, our little panda's gonna be out there all on his own. I mean, is this what mothers feel like? There's a lot of people here. Oh, I hope he's not nervous.
Welcome, everyone, to the National Cuda.
Starting. Shh.
Whoever fills up their cuter meter first will be crowned the cutest animal in existence and will be throwing in a shiny trophy to boot. Now, without further ado, let's welcome the king of the internet, Nom Nom! Nom Nom's already off to a great start, but it might take more than that to defeat the upcoming sneezy sensation, Panda!
Yeah, here it comes. So real, so fresh.
Woohoo!
My name is Panda. I am a panda. I'm a panda bear.
Well, okay, Panda's starting off with something a little unconventional. I guess you never know what people find cute these days.
Hey, what's going on? Why aren't you doing your cute thing?
I don't want to be cute. I want to be cool, like you.
Listen, man, cute is what makes you cool. That's why all these people came to see you.
Do you really think I'm cool?
Man, you got famous on the internet. You got on a talk show. You are the coolest.
Iceberg thinks you're precious.
Aww.